Hello everyone, welcome back to Urban Builder Guide. In today's video, I will show you how to create a basic drawing in AutoCAD step by step. If you are a civil engineering student, beginner, or someone who wants to learn AutoCAD, this tutorial will help you understand the essential commands used in professional drawings. So let's get started. First, let's take a quick look at the AutoCAD workspace. At the top, we have the ribbon, where all the drawing and editing tools are located. On the left side, we can access the drawing commands, and at the bottom we have the command line, which is one of the most important features in AutoCAD. The command line shows what command you are using and allows you to type commands quickly. Before starting the drawing, we first select the appropriate drawing units and workspace settings. This helps us maintain accuracy and scale, which is extremely important in engineering drawings. Now we move to the drawing area where we will start creating our design. Now we start with the most important command in AutoCAD, the line command. To draw a line, type L on the keyboard, press Enter. Click the starting point, move the cursor and define the next point. Using this command, we can easily create straight lines for our design. Next, we continue building the shape by connecting lines and defining dimensions. This method is commonly used while creating floor plans, layouts, and structural drawings. As you can see, we have successfully created a basic AutoCAD drawing using simple commands. Once you understand these fundamental tools, you can easily start creating more complex engineering drawings and floor plans. Practice these commands regularly to improve your drafting skills. I hope this tutorial helped you understand the basics of AutoCAD drawing. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to Urban Builder Guide, and press the bell icon so you never miss our upcoming civil engineering tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next videos.